Hi, my name is Tom Sensi. I'm cooking today a steak au poivre using grass-fed Irish fillet of beef and serving that with beef fat chips. I'm using Irish beef because it's a sustainable product. Ireland has a huge amount of rainfall throughout the year, which means there's so much lush grass. The cattle can graze most probably 300 days of the year, meaning they can really get that mature flavour into the meat. So I'm going to be using the fillet. This is the king of the cuts. It doesn't have much fat on it running through it. There's almost no marbling. So it's about cooking this to medium rare to rare. Anything over that becomes really dry and tough. I'm taking the whole fillet today and I'm going to be prepping it down. So I'm going to be taking off the sinew, the head, the chateaubriand, and I'm going to be portioning it into just small little fillets. The fillet is the loin. This has been aged for about 28 days and it just helps kind of like that tenderness and that mature flavour come through. So now we're going to take our fillets and we're going to season them. With a little bit of salt and quite heavy on your black pepper, because this is what helps make it the steak au poivre. We take the seasoned fillet and we add it to a pan with a medium heat, just a little bit of oil, and we colour on all sides. You want to cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes till it becomes rare to medium rare. Once the fillet is cooked to your desired cooking, take it out and allow it to rest. Keep the pan but turn it onto a low heat, and now we're going to add our brandy. So we're going to flambe the brandy, and this burns off the alcohol, but this also deglazes the pan at the same time and utilises that sediment in the pan for extra flavour. Once you've flambéed, add your green peppercorns and a tiny bit of the juice that it comes into. Add your red wine and allow this to reduce by at least half. When we're reducing the liquids, we're intensifying the flavour and we're also thickening the sauce at the same time. Once it's reduced by half, add your double cream and allow it to come to a simmer and turn the heat down. Once the sauce is reduced a little and starts to kind of bubble and become a little bit thicker, take your cooked fillet steak and add it back into the pan. When your steak is back into the pan, you want it on a really low heat. All we're doing now is just basting the steak and just reheating it up to that medium rare level. When your steak has reached the temperature that you're happy with, finish it with freshly chopped parsley and pink peppercorns. Just before you're ready to serve, you want to finish your chips in the beef fat. You want to cook it about 180 degrees so they're really crispy. Now you're ready to serve. Place the steak onto a plate and cover with all that beautiful steak au poivre sauce. Then serve with your beef fat chips when you're ready to eat. So there we have steak au poivre using grass-fed Irish fillet of beef and served with beef fat chips.